What's the meaning of conformance? Conformance. Conformance.
Conformance. Conformance. Conformance refers to the act of conforming to a certain set of standards, rules, or guidelines. When something is said to be in conformance, it means that it meets all the required criteria and specifications as laid out by the relevant governing body or industry standard. This ensures consistency and reliable quality. Examples of conformance can be found in various industries, such as software development, manufacturing, and healthcare. Companies that adhere to strict conformance standards are often seen as trustworthy and reliable, which can help build customer loyalty.